A lot of people made a lot of money, especially on YouTube, with the Amber Heard and Johnny Depp trial. Of course, we know that Umbrella Guy and Nick Rekieta, both of which I've appeared on their shows before. But Andy Signore was another one who actually made a ton off of this. And he had a bunch of content, which was very useful because he does good coverage of these sorts of events on his channel, Popcorn Planet. Now, Netflix actually used all of these guys for their little documentary on Amber Heard and Johnny Depp. Now, it might just be some good promotion for them as they're in there, but Netflix actually went to Andy Signore and asked him for permission to use his footage. Andy Signore told them no, and after that, they apparently ran with it anyway. Here's a legal fund that Andy Signore launched yesterday, and this is the fund against the Depp versus Heard documentary on Netflix. The trial was released globally, Channel 4 and Netflix. It was ranked the #1 TV series on Netflix the week of its release, featured more than a dozen Popcorn Planet clips that were used without our permission. Full Well 73, the production company behind the documentary, knew full well that they needed the license for the clips. They emailed asking for one. When permission wasn't given, they used the clips anyway. They even used our entire world-exclusive interview with Johnny Depp full screen without edits or commentary for the finale of their series. They falsely implied that we were in nefarious cahoots with and paid for by Team Depp, causing many issues with my brand and credibility. Netflix and Channel 4 also declared themselves the copyright owners of our footage on YouTube. While we were the staunch defenders of making our fair comments on other content, this has all felt like a clear abuse of the law. I'm unclear as to whether Netflix and Channel 4 was aware of Full Well 73's lack of proper licensing and hope they will be willing to right this creative wrong. I've retained counsel, and we are now moving forward with our legal options. We will be doing in phases. Phase 1 requires $10,000. Many of you have asked how you can help, and this campaign is your opportunity to. Now, this raised $8,000 already in this situation, and it is interesting. So when companies like Netflix, these giant companies, make these documentaries, they do have to obtain permission for the footage, and they are not making it into some sort of transformative commentary kind of thing like we often do on YouTube here when we talk about things or EFAP other videos. They are just using it for the clips, and that's a clear violation of Andy Signore's rights here. So we'll see how this progresses. I really hope that small creators actually can get paid for their work. That's, of course, something we always promote around here on my channel, and I hope that this goes through properly. Leave a comment down below with what you think about this. Hit that like and subscribe button. We'll be back soon.